Charges?
Yeah. So we do have a warrant for your arrest, okay?
Oh no,
Yeah.
what?
Yeah.
What you just heard is real police body cam audio. A 6th grade teacher arrested at his own front door for serious crimes against the students he was trusted to protect. Over the next 20 minutes, you'll hear that arrest unfold almost entirely in his own words, and the words of the detective who came to take him into custody. This is the case of David Field, a teacher at a Colorado elementary school, convicted of abusing his position with children in his classroom. We're not going to sensationalize what happened here. We're going to let the footage and the facts speak for themselves, because the truth of this case is disturbing enough on its own. Before we continue, a warning. This video discusses child abuse. If that's difficult for you, please take care while watching. Roxborough Primary and Intermediate School sits in Douglas County, Colorado, serving kids from kindergarten through 6th grade. David Field had taught there since 2014. Students described him as warm, the kind of teacher who gave out treats and hugs. But according to court records, that warmth crossed a line long before anyone called the police. The school's own principal had already spoken to Field about his behavior years earlier, including letting students behind his desk and picking them up by their shoulders. Investigators later learned students had a nickname for him that made clear they knew something was wrong. In March 2025, an anonymous tip came through a reporting system called Safe to Tell. That tip reached the Douglas County Sheriff's Office and set the investigation in motion.
Hey, Mr. File, it's Sarah with the Sheriff's Office. Mr. File? Hey, David? It's Sarah from the Sheriff's Office. Can you open the door? Hey, Mr. File? David, can you answer the door? It's Sarah from the Sheriff's Office. I just want to talk to you. David, can you answer the door, please? I can hear Luna in there. Can you answer the door?
Hello.
Oh, hi, how are ya?
Good, how are you?
I'm good.
Sorry.
That's okay. Do you want to put her away?
Sorry about that.
That's okay. How are you doing?
Good, how are you?
I'm good.
Good.
Okay. Yeah. So I do want to let you know that that our district attorney did move forward with charges.
Charges?
Yeah. So we do have a warrant for your arrest. Okay.
Oh no,
Yeah.
what?
Yeah.
All right, your hands behind your back
these
for
guys
me.
are these
Yeah.
guys are gonna.
Oh no, can I call a lawyer or something?
Yeah, you'll be able to do all that from the jail. Okay?
Oh no, what am I
And
gonna do?
that's what I wanted to check with you about with Luna. That's why I wanted to come up here as well. Luna, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So do you have somebody that can
2610 has one in custody.
Luna, let her out.
Holy cow, can I? Oh shoot, what do I do?
If if you have somebody that I can, so our other option is I can have our animal control people, take her, I can have them take her overnight. So with this warrant, all warrants, anybody that's booked into our jail has to see a judge the next day. So you are gonna stay the night for sure. The judge will issue a bond tomorrow, when you see the judge. So that's why I wanted to make sure that I came up and helped you with whatever we need to do for Luna, because I wanna make sure she's okay.
My sister, hang on. This is really hard to think right now.
Absolutely, no, that's okay, take your time.
She doesn't have a key. Can I let my...
Yeah. Do you have any weapons on you though?
No.
Okay,
What?
Pocket knife, anything that could poke me, stick me, or hurt me?
No.
They're gonna check you, so you don't even have to
Okay.
check yourself, they'll
Yeah,
check you.
sorry,
Okay.
I don't-
No, you're good.
Whoa, this is a big surprise.
Sure.
Notice how ordinary this moment feels. There's no chase, no raised voices, just a man packing a bag, worrying about his dog, asking when he can call his sister. That's often what an arrest like this actually looks like. The detective stays calm and procedural throughout, careful not to discuss the case since Field already has legal representation. What you're hearing is standard practice for law enforcement. De-escalation, not indifference. In a few minutes, the charges will be read out loud for the first time. Field's reaction to hearing them on camera is one of the most telling moments in this entire case.
Getting charged? May I ask what the charge is
Absolutely,
for, or
yes.
what?
It's sex assault on a child,
Sex assault?
2 counts.
Whoa. So, is there anything else I need to... What counts were they, or what is it?
Sex
I know
assault on
you
a
said
child by
before,
one
I'm trying to
imposition of
remember.
trust.
I'm trying to remember, is it, okay, something specific that...
So your lawyer will be able to get all that information. You know, we're not here to discuss the case, especially since you're the lawyer, okay?
I'm sorry.
That's okay, you don't need to be sorry.
Do you know how many hours it'll be before I can call my sister? Like,
She was just explaining that.
I'm sorry.
Let's say 2 hours.
Yeah.
Max.
Could be
Probably-
two-
probably
two to-
should have
2 to 6.
4, yeah. Yeah.
Depending on how busy the jail is.
The paperwork's pretty easy, so it won't be long. It's just how busy the jail is. So 2 hours, 3 hours.
Shoot, can you turn off my oven? I was about to eat.
Yeah,
I didn't eat
absolutely.
anything.
We can definitely do that.
It's okay, honey.
Sorry, honey. It's okay, honey. She seems a little worried. Is she a little aggressive? Okay, well, we are happy to have animal control come up and then we can secure your residence from there.
What? Secure my residence? What
Just
do you
lock the
mean?
door.
So basically, we can just leave her
oh,
in here until
okay.
animal control gets her and then lock the door. And then we can get your keys to you down at the jail.
Do I need anything?
Do you have glasses
Do
or
I-
anything that you would need to be able to see anything?
I do need my glasses.
Okay, where's your glasses at?
Well, I don't need them. Oh, no, it's the...
That's going to take the whole top off.
It's,
Just this
it's,
one,
you
right?
squeeze them with your top and bottom. Yeah. Luna, sit. Good girl.
Good girl.
Man, I hope she answers her phone. I'm just got so much...
Yeah, if you can't get a hold of her or something, man, we still have animal control come get her. They're just gonna hold her overnight for you, so it's not like,
If I have a lot of questions, like, who do I...
they'll answer a lot of questions down there at the jail, man, when through the booking
Oh, okay,
process.
okay.
And then they'll get you, if you don't have an attorney, they'll help you find one, or they'll get you a public defender.
Going to jail. Whoa.
Do you, Miss Farrell, do you need your glasses?
If I'm reading anything close up,
Where we can find your glasses at, so.
either in my bedroom on the bed or on the stand thing.
Is that okay?
Yes,
Can we get these
if you can find my
Do
glasses
you
there.
have any medication you take at that time you might need?
Am I gonna have a bed to sleep in, or?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
They're gonna get you hooked up, man, you just have to see a lawyer in the morning, or a judge in the morning, so.
Will it help? Will I keep leaving sleep?
If you have any prescription drugs, as long as they're not narcotics, we can take them with us. If it is narcotics,
not,
you
no.
can just call your pharmacist to get that prescription.
There's a sleeping pill that could help. It's
Probably I'm gonna let you have
Oh,
that.
no.
You can let them know you take that. They're,
Same
they're,
thing, they'll call your
yeah.
pharmacist if it's a must-have.
it's not a
If it's
Yeah,
not a
they're
must-have,
probably
they're
not
not
gonna let
gonna
you
tell
have
you.
that.
okay.
And then can you just verify that those are your current glasses? I know sometimes
Yes.
we have multiple ones, so.
Alright, so let's get headed down.
Pockets in there. No.
Yes.
And where's your gift? We can both go down there, you can just- You want the windows to be shut, or you good with the
Horn's behind that yellow van. That white van.
white one? Hey, your window good, Peter?
Yes. It's over. Okay.
So we're not gonna lock anything, we'll just leave the key here.
This is embarrassing. Yes.
Good message slow downstairs, man, 'cause I know it's weird being hands right in the
Can't believe this. Pretty sure it's the one with the white van.
I'm not getting it. So is there anything any person around in town with cash, drugs, weapons, figure they'll find it down there, so if I miss anything, just let us know. You run hot, cold, or indifferent?
After booking, detectives sat down with Field for a formal, recorded interview. This is where the affidavit gets specific. Field admitted to struggling to set boundaries with students, described their behavior toward him as something he found flattering rather than alarming, and acknowledged letting a student sit on his lap, though he claimed the details were unclear to him. Investigators had already recovered direct messages between Field and multiple students, messages he initially denied existed. When confronted with them, he changed his story. Some of those messages included instructions not to tell anyone, and language investigators say was inappropriate for a teacher to use with a child. We won't repeat that language here. What matters is that it was in his own account, in his own handwriting, and it became central evidence in the case against him. In March, David Field pleaded guilty to serious charges involving the exploitation of a child. He was sentenced to 10 years in prison.